How to change network adapter name by using PowerShell. So if you want to change the network adapter name by using PowerShell, then first right click on your Windows, go for the run, and under run you need to enter ncpa.cpl and click on OK, and here you will have all of the network adapter names, right? So what you need to do is go back and then you need to search for Windows PowerShell and you need to go for run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to type this kind of interface, which is get net adapter, and then hit the enter. Now you can see the list of network adapters and their names, and here what you need to do, you just need to type rename hyphen net adapter and then space hyphen name and then space Wi-Fi. You need to enter the name of the Wi-Fi and then again space and hyphen and then enter a new name and again a space and then enter the new name that you would like to give and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, your network adapter name will be changed. So that's how you can change the network adapter name by using the PowerShell. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.